Hey everyone, Rick at Wordsearch. In this video, I want to talk to you about desktops. Desktops can increase your productivity and efficiency in the program, making sure you don't waste your valuable preparation time. One of the biggest time wasters in the program can be opening and closing books. However, desktops allows you to set up a desk to study your materials that you can access over and over again. No more remembering what books you're using, and no more turning to the right pages. It stays exactly where you left it. One type of desktop would be an author or publisher desktop containing all of their works, like this Thompson Chain Reference desktop. Another type of desktop is a desktop with a specific study method, such as a topical study or word study. These are just two different examples of desktops that customers have come up and created inside of the program. No matter what type of desktop that you make, the desktop will always have a specific purpose for what will be done in it. Desktops can be accessed from the icon toolbar, and the desktop's menu will open when you click on the desktop icon. There are three options involving your desktops. We have the Create option to make new desktops, the Manage option to delete older or unused desktops, and the loading of desktops where they are listed at the bottom of the menu. Let's start with loading. When you wish to use a desktop, find it on your list and left-click on it. It will automatically load the desktop up on your screen. When you have finished with the desktop, instead of closing down books and opening up new ones, you simply choose a different desktop. The My Desktop is a great desktop to visit when you aren't sure what you want to do or you have no specific purpose. To create a desktop, click on the Create Desktop option. First, you will need to name your desktop. Make your name descriptive so you can know at a glance the specific purpose of your desktop. You can then start your desktop with a blank screen, or you can choose to duplicate your current desktop that you are in into your new desktop. Once you have started the new desktop creation, you will notice it says the new desktop name in the top left-hand corner. Now to set up your desktop, simply open the functions and the books onto the desktop that you wish to use. As you open, close, or move location in your books, the desktop is automatically saved. If you would like to learn more about desktops and how to use templates to back up your desktops, please check out our Basic 7 class and our free live training classes. You can view the training classes by clicking on the Live Training button from the home screen or by going to the Training tab at wordsearchbible.com. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.